Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday, boys and girls. It's nice to see you again. It's a new school week, so come, let's see what is in store for you. Today we are going to talk about a special animal. Who can tell me what this animal is? Very good. It's called a bird. We are going to indeed talk about birds. Alright, now the birds have some special things. Who can tell me what these are called? Great job. They are called feathers. The birds have feathers that keeps them warm, right? Yes. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Alright, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that one. Until then, I'll see you next time.